YouTube too. So some nice lightning and beerwah, part 1, part 2.
Oh, look at that tail of this one.
Yeah, have a look at that tail. It's like a hook.
Incredible. And just go pan back. Oh, there's all blue sky. Like, all blue sky.
And then there's blue sky above. Now guys, I am going to go out from under the cover for a sec.
See that?
Yeah. I'm going to go out from under... Oh! Sorry. Just to show you how cool this really is. Whoa, look at how those clouds are pink. And how all the lightning is so cool. But I'm sorry, forgive me. Oh, you can see a star there. I'm sorry for making it work for you, Dan.
That's alright, mate. Pretty awesome sight, isn't it?
I need to get that internet clout.
It's pretty awesome sight.
Yeah. As you can see, these clouds are moving extremely fast.
That's unreal.
Mm-hmm.
I reckon you've got to come out here now.
Alright. Oh yeah, let me show you Dan.
Oh, bring a couple of stools, mate.
Say hi, Dan.
G'day. How you going?
Please hold that while I get the stools.
I reckon grab a couple of stools, we'll sit here. Check this out.
Actually, no, why don't we just lay on those? Dan, why don't we just lay on those?
Oh, no. Don't want to be in the pool there, because if lightning does strike, you don't want to be there.
Oh yeah.
Check this out, though.
That's the bathrooms.
There's a star.
Oh yeah.
But have a look at this, all blue sky.
And
And then we just got this massive, big black and white cloud mixing together.
a few lone stars.
Unreal.
Or you can see the Southern Cross starting to take shape.
Check
There.
this out.
You can see the Southern Cross starting to take shape.
Oh, yeah.
Can't you?
Yep. Here you go, mate. I'll give you this.
Thanks.
Got it?
Yep. Make sure you don't drop your beer.
No, don't want to drop me beer.
The glass,
Have a look at that.
the glass will get drunk if you drop
Have
it.
a look at that over this way.
Yeah, I'm looking. That's so beautiful.
Unreal, isn't it? And if you have a look at this way, there's a star actually coming out there.
We can barely see it right now. There it
Oh,
is.
that might be a satellite, is it?
Yeah, it's the star. Don't worry, I got the star.
Oh, yeah. Wow.
You can see the stars coming out.
Mm. Have a look at all the different shades of cloud there.
Yeah, look at that.
It's amazing.
Oh, I
Look
got
at
that flash. I got that lightning flash.
Unbelievable.
Now, guys, I might end this video because I do need to go to sleep.
Yes, you do, buddy.
I do have school tomorrow.
Yeah.
So,
Wow.
bye.
Yeah, man.
Okay, we'll get a few more minutes of footage.
Yeah. Have a look over this way.
Yeah, it's so cute. It's
Keep
so
your eye on that.
beautiful. And there's cicadas in the background too.
Yeah. Wow.
So beautiful.
Look at how it's top lit. Look at that.
Yeah. may not see it, but
That's incredible. Wow.
we'll get this to 6 minutes of...
See the man in the middle? Look.
Oh yeah. You guys see the man in the middle? Right there.
Just above the tree.
Yeah. Right there. The man in the middle. He has a long nose and his mouth is wide open and he has a big chin.
Gone now.
No. Look through here.
Aww.
He's still there, see?
Oh, you looking at that one up there?
Yeah, that one, the man in the middle. Do you not see him?
Yeah.
Oh, I got that, I got that.
Yeah.
I just got that.
That is pretty phenomenal.
Mm-hmm.
Unbelievable. Unreal.
Now, what I wish we could capture would probably be a blue jet lightning.
Yeah.
Now, that would be pretty cool to capture. Blue jets are so rare. But more rare are gigantic jets, which we only have a few photos of. Oh, do you see that?
Yep.
Okay, YouTube, I might have to go now.
Right, little buddy. Come on then, we better get out.
Goodbye.
Get out.